We are here in the middle of Sweden, in beautiful Dalarna, more specifically at the Spendrups Brewery in Grängesberg. Here, Petro Bio staff are making the finishing touches to a brand new boiler plant for biomass combustion. This will replace the existing boiler, which is fueled by fossil fuels. With this, Spendrups' use of fossil fuels will be cut by 80%. For the past 50 years, Petro Bio has been manufacturing unique turnkey combustion systems and is even employed as a general contractor for entire boiler plants, also handling fuel and flue gas treatment. We are constantly developing our systems to track the changes in the market and to meet more challenging emission standards. Petro Bio's combustion system covers the whole process, from the collection of pellets to gas treatment and flue maintenance. Petro Bio's technologically advanced powder burner is at the heart of its project delivery, as is its full system management. The new boiler at Spendrups in Grängesberg makes it almost completely fossil fuel independent and also reduces its fuel costs. In this case, the fuel used is a bioproduct of beer production, known as brewer's grains. The brewer's grains are dried and turned into pellets before being milled into a powder and blown into the burner. Other fuels can also be used in the same burner, such as wood powder and biogas. Let's take another look at the different elements of a powder-fired energy system. Pellets are kept in a pellet silo. They are then fed out of the base of the silo into a mill. The mill grinds the pellets into a powder and then blows the powder through a duct to a filter. The filter separates the powder from the conveying air. The powder is then fed out into the burner. The fuel is burned at an optimal heat, maintained by adding controlled amounts of air and fuel. This process is managed and monitored by the latest in fail-safe control systems. In the boiler, heat is used to generate warm water and steam. During the flue gas treatment, the flue dust is filtered out and the treated flue gas is then released out of the chimney. Spendrups cares about protecting the environment and sets high standards for emission levels. This also applies to the emission levels of substances such as NOx. Petro Bio has therefore chosen to include a NOx reduction system in its product delivery for Spendrups. At a time when we should all turn our attention to the environment and when high fuel prices are driving costs, it's smart to adapt for the future. As a responsible business partner, we try not only to optimize energy production, but also to reduce any negative impact on the environment. Our work with research and development, combined with leading product design and manufacturing technology, help to minimize the harmful impacts of combustion. We welcome your projects.